tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac in Jamaica Beach.
This canal front home tells a different story than most waterfront properties.
Unlike most homes on the island, this one has never been a rental.
It has been well loved and thoughtfully maintained.
Inside you'll find thoughtful touches like crown molding and hardwood floors.
An ample amount of storage and closet space, which is highly sought after.
This is where the real magic happens.
Whether you're casting a line, taking the boat out, or watching the sunset over Galveston Bay,
This is coastal living at its finest.